Welcome back to the course. In this lecture we'll talk about MySQL connection, how we can create a connection to the database in PHP. So I have Notepad open. Now I'll make a new page, save as a copy of this page, and that will be mysql.php, or you can say something like form.php. This will be form.php. We'll remove this stuff and we'll say PHP and MySQL. Let's go to the page, localhost, PHP tutorials, and find the page form.php here. That's it. We have already created a database inside here in PHP MyAdmin with the name PHP, and there is a user database, and we inserted data using this interface here. Now if you want to make a connection, so first of all I will just cut this from here and we'll put it here in the top of the page. We'll create the connection. So the connection is created like this, MySQLi underscore connect, because we are using MySQLi, not only MySQL. So here we can create MySQLi connection, and we have to add 4 parameters to this function. Basically, inside inverted commas and single comma, then inverted commas, then single commas, then inverted commas, this 4. Inside this 4 inverted commas we have to write the 4 parameters. The first one is the server name. What is the server name for this connection? We say that is localhost, because we are working on the localhost. Also on online server this will be the same localhost. The next is the username for this connection, that is called root. You can find that here in the privileges section. Here you can see root is the username, and the host is either 1 or this IP or simply localhost. So basically you can add root as the username. The password is nothing for this localhost, but there will be a password for online server when you upload your PHP script to online server, but here we will leave it blank, empty. And the next last thing is the name of the database to which you want to make this connection. So that is basically in our case here the database name is PHP, and we can also save this connection in a local variable like $CON $sign and CON. So we have saved this whole connection in this thing. So we can also say or die connection was not established. Connection was not created. Control S to save. Now come here, refresh the page. If nothing happened, that means the connection has been established. But if something is wrong here, for example a mistake in this localhost name or in the root or in the database name, anything, we save it again and we come back. So we don't find anything here. We found many links, errors, MySQLi connector and dot in this, the connection error here, and also we can see or error or here. So that's mean basically we have an error in this connection. So I again corrected that, and Control S to save, and then refresh this page. That's mean we have made the connection successfully here. This is done. Now we can do the rest of the work. In the next video I will come and we will insert data using an HTML form. We will insert data to our database, our table here, which is users. So in this lecture I wanted to tell you that you can create a connection using this simple method MySQL I connect, and then add in the first inverted commas add the localhost, the server name, then the username which is root, password is nothing, and the database name is PHP. So this is very simple thing. Now let's see you in the next tutorial.